Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we're gonna do mukbang. Sorry guys, I have a little bit problem right here, but I have Coco Crunch, Sky Flakes, and this is a Philippine biscuits mukbang. Philippine cereal biscuits. Before I start this mukbang vlog, please subscribe, turn on the bell, and like this video. Let's start. Crunchy and chocolatey. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna supposed to. I'm not sure I'm gonna eat this all. It's not water. It's water. It's not orange juice. So fresh. Ouch, my tongue. Sorry guys. My tongue is a little bit messy. Sorry, my hair is so messy. Oh, sorry guys, I have not brushing my teeth yet. So sorry, it's a little bit dirty. Time check. I don't know what's the time. It is. I don't know. It's 3. Oh, body guys. 3:27 p.m. in Philippines, Cebu. Just someone chatting on my mom's phone. Oopsie, sorry. I think I really full because I just eat 3 times of rice and chicken. Because it's my favorite. I'm just gonna do a part 2. Are you ready for it? Tomorrow, I will do part 2 tomorrow. I'm not gonna finish this MG, but part 3 and part 4. Just bye bye guys. Oh, okay. Before I end this vlog, please subscribe, turn on the bell, and like this video. And I have a second YouTube channel, Inday Kaya Burles. That's my intro guys. Hello mga ka-Indayan, I'm done. That's my intro. Bye guys, because I'm using my mom's cell phone because my cell phone is just Nobody's